Hey guys, it's your crazy kinfolk Dazja Jordan back with another tutorial. Today we are getting into my beginner's guide to a bold cut crease makeup look. We also need to chit chat about just a few things and just kind of catch up. So if you are new, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enjoy. So you guys know I don't normally do my eyebrows on camera, but since I am switching things up by using the Ulta Beauty Slim brow pencil in the color dark brown, I decided to show you guys pretty much how it works. I like this brow pencil because it's not chalky, it's easy to apply, and it gives a very smooth, soft, and natural looking finish. I have considered getting my eyebrows microbladed, but I kind of like freehanding my brows. I know someone might ask, why would I trade convenience for anything in the world? And I don't know, but I like what I like. And plus, eyebrows change with the times. So after I finish up with actually forming my brow, we are going to move in with the NYX Born to Glow Radiant Concealer. I like this concealer because the shade matched up and it looked like it was going to be a real good shade for me perfectly. So it kind of works for a highlighter. And it's also giving me good coverage. So if you guys are at Target or wherever you buy your NYX cosmetics, I would pick up this concealer if you haven't. It is a cream based concealer and I like it. So have y'all been in the house quarantining? I have, as I should be, but I hate how I took being outside for granted. I mean, it's crazy because I am naturally a homebody, but on my own terms. Like, I don't need anyone making me stay in the house. Like, I feel kind of trapped. Like, I feel like I can't do what I want to do anymore because now everybody's doing what I'm doing. But now we're going to move in with this Louise Base in the color 0. We are going to go ahead and pop that on our eyelids. I do still like this base just because it really makes my color pop. Any color eyeshadow that I'm using is kind of, you know, gifted that real pigment. So if you haven't invested in this product, I would. Now we're going to move in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I use this powder all the time. So if you watch my videos, you would know that. But now we're going to get into this Morphe palette. I am not sure which number this is, but I will link it down in the description box. Link it. I'm not linking anything, but I'm going to put it there. Anyways, we are going to be using this dark blue, and we are going to go ahead and pop this into our crease. So it's not a transition color. We need it strictly in the crease line. So you guys know I like to pat the product in and then go in and blend it with my, I think this is like a little fluffy brush or something. I don't know. If you guys want to know what brush this is, leave in the comments below and let me know if you want to know, I guess. But y'all know I like angles, so I wanted to show you guys you know, how it's looking from afar. Then we're gonna go in with, it's almost like a tannish color, and we are going to use that for our transition color. And I like it because it kind of gives you a third color with that baby blue. So if you're blending it right and blending it up to your brow bone, you will see what I'm talking about with the transition from all now created 3 blues. But now we're going to go back in with that Louise base, and I just want to show you guys to use a little bit, and that little dot I use for both eyes, so do not use a whole lot of this product. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. You guys, I love cutting the crease for some reason. Like, sometimes my eyes never match, sometimes they never match, sometimes they don't match, but at the end of the day, the cut crease is always bomb. It's still always on point. It still always looks good. And it's just literally one of my favorite things to do. But I'm going to try to switch it up and not do so many cut creases in my future videos. So you guys, after we are finished cutting our crease, we are going to go in with that highlighter green color up there, the one that has the sparkles in it. And we are going to start from the inner corner of our lid, and I am literally just patting this color and pressing, pat and press, You see, I gave you angles. Look at that. So now you can kind of see. My eye got a little irritated, so I did have to rub it with the brush. But we just went ahead and put that right in the middle, or not middle, the inner lid, and kind of drug it out to the end of our lid where our wing is. And then we took another blue. This is the blue that has a little bit of the sparkles in it. Well, I shouldn't say sparkles, I should say it's kind of shimmery, and we just popped that in the middle of our eyelid. And then we're going to take that dark green and we are going to pop that. I keep saying pop, but we are going to blend that into the darker blue, the cut crease, in that lighter blue plus the green, just to kind of give it a dark, I don't know, like a darker look or something. I don't know what I was going for it, but it ended up working out. But you guys, I kind of like to use foundation to clean up a little bit, and the foundation that I am using is my Professional Kiss Cover and Care Matte Finish High Coverage Shine It In Oil Control All Day Foundation in the color Cappuccino. Alright you guys, let's hit those lashes with some mascara. We are using the Blix chapstick on the lips today before we apply any lip liner, lipstick, or anything. And now we're going to jump back in with that NYX concealer that we used, and we are going to put it in on the places that we want to highlight. So of course under the eye, around the nose, chin, and forehead. And then we are going to take a beauty blender or a sponge, whatever you're using, and we are going to blend that in. And again, you guys, boom, with the angles. Y'all, let's talk about this little bunny bun that I got. Like, I ain't got no edges. I've been minding my business and they've been growing, they coming, but anyways, you guys, we're gonna jump in with this blue, the same blue that we use on our eyelid, the blue that has a little bit of shimmer in it. And we are gonna go ahead and pop that under the eye. You guys, I like the way this look turned out. And then I did go back in with that green, and I just kind of wanted to put it under my eye, but in the inner lid. You guys, I really like this look. I'm just gonna say it just like that. Anyways, let's go back in with that loose powder, and we are going to set our face. Okay, we're gonna go in and put that loose powder everywhere that we concealed. And now I am using this full spectrum CoverGirl. You guys, this is a deep cool foundation, and I like it. It's not heavy or anything like that, and it's just, it gives me the the look that I'm going for. But you guys, let's go ahead and contour this nose. You guys, I do this because I do not have a bridge, so I just like to kind of create myself a little bridge, because if not, like, I don't have no nose. I don't have no nose. Disappears. So if you like me, go ahead, contour your nose. Anyways, we're going to take some of that loose powder, and we are going to kind of cut our contouring down at the bottom. And then the highlighter that I am using is the Pure Cosmetics highlighter palette, and I will link that in the description box down below as well. Hey you guys, if you haven't subscribed, this would be a good time to hit that subscribe button, and also that little bell that's on the side. You guys, I'm going to go in with this Juvia's Play blush, and then we are going to go in with this It Cosmetics Superior mascara and just kind of add the finishing touches on those lashes. And then the lip pencil that I am using is the NYX Cosmetics in the color, can't remember the color right now, but as always, I will link it in the description box down below. And then for the lipstick that I am using SmashBox. Can't remember the color, but I do love this flesh color, almost matte look. I don't know, but I like it, you guys. Anyways, let me know what you think of this look down below. You guys, don't forget to hit me up on all of my social media sites. Follow me, support, and don't forget to look at some of my other comments. Thanks for watching. See y'all later. Have a good one.